Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a DIY homemade disinfecting cleaner that we are going to clean in my home today. I'm going to take you through my home and show you ways that I use this disinfectant spray that's perfect for your laundry room, your bathrooms, and even your kitchens. So I hope I inspire you to clean more naturally, more holistically, to have more fragrant free harsh chemicals not in your house, but healthier alternatives that you can breathe more natural scents, and you can get the same cleaning power to clean those areas. So I'm going to turn this camera around, show you how to make the disinfectant spray, and then I'm also going to take you through to do a deep cleaning in the home and how I use this disinfectant spray to clean your home more naturally. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so to make this spray, I'm actually going to use a glass jar with a spray nozzle. You don't have to use a glass jar. You can use a plastic one. They have very affordable ones at the Dollar Tree. So feel free to use whatever container you want to house it. I will recommend labeling it, so you can either use a Sharpie to label it with the label or make your own label. And then you're also going to need some rubbing alcohol, some filtered water, some Castile soap, and some different essential oils. So you're going to need clove, orange, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, which are perfect blends that'll give you that nice, great fragrance. But these, around this time of year, but they will also help clean and disinfect areas in your home that are going to be essential to cleaning. So the first things first, we are going to go start filling up this bottle. And you also are going to need some type of funnel. If you don't have a funnel, that's okay. Just be very careful. So I'm going to add about, depending on the size of the bottle, you want to fill it to about 30% full. And then you're going to fill the rest of the bottle with your alcohol to get it over a little bit of 50%. And then you're going to start adding your essential oils, and then you're just going to fill the rest with some filtered water. So that is obviously what I'm doing here. So I'm just adding the rubbing alcohol and the Castile soap. So like I said, the essential oils are going to be orange, clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg and ginger, and all of the recipe details will be over on my blog, so make sure you check that out below in the description box. If I'm moving too fast for you, or if you just want to save it for later and make it later. And you can use this spray any time of the year. It's just perfect for this time of year. It's great. I think it gives like the description of like a couple different essential oil companies that use a multi-purpose cleaner, such as Thieves and Ongar, I believe it's called. So this is just my homemade version of their blends. Okay, finally we're going to add our filtered water until it's about, not all the way to the tippy top, but just enough, because you gotta put the cap on, right? So you need room. And then we're going to clean the outside of the jar and label it so we know what it is. So we're going to add our label, and I'm calling this pumpkin spice disinfectant spray, but you can just call it disinfectant spray. It's completely up to you, or whatever you want to do. And we are ready to go. Give it a good shake and ready to clean the house. One great thing about using homemade, natural, holistic products for cleaning, it's so versatile. So I'm using this disinfectant spray on my mirrors and windows. It's perfect. It's streak free. It does the job. It disinfects. I love it. So don't be afraid to use it on any of those surfaces, because you will be deeply impressed. The orange has that citrus that cuts everything. I'm also using it on all of my bathroom sinks as well. It shines the chrome. It cleans, the clove cleans. It's antibacterial, antifungal. I also use it to clean my toilets as well, as you can see. So I do use this spray in my bathroom, on floors, on the toilets, on the sinks, on the mirrors, and whatnot. So don't be afraid to use it in any of those spaces. And like I said, this is a nice fall blend that we have created, that it will bring you joy, because you'll be inhaling all this, and it's not toxic for your lungs, which is even more perfect. the video title describes, we are cleaning the whole house and we're trying to use this multi-purpose spray any which way we can, and that also includes the laundry. So I'm throwing in a load of laundry, and as you notice, I have my wool dryer balls, and I love using these because they're non-toxic and they're better for the environment, and I just put a little bit of the essential oils right on the dryer ball. And I'm also using my Thieves spray in the wash to brighten my colors and make everything wonderful. I'm also using it on all my counters. I can also cut and prepare food on my counters using the spray. I know I'm not going to put any chemicals in my food that's going to leach in there with any of the other traditional, conventional products that are sold on the market. So I also use this in the kitchen to clean all my counters as well. I just feel that there's something refreshing cleaning with non-toxic ingredients because it's all going down the drain, and I just feel like it's a life cycle that it's contribute to the water system. So I just feel good about it, and I also feel good breathing it in. I'm also using this in hot water, and I'm going to wash all of my floors. I feel very comfortable that it removes all the grime and dirt. I do have animals, and we are in the middle of nowhere. We're in the country. We have farm animals. We're constantly in and out of the house, and we're tracking in leaves, mud, debris, you name it. And we have 4 seasons here. So I would love a no shoe policy, but it's just not feasible. So this constantly needs to be clean. I am doing my floors a deep clean, so that's why you're seeing me on my hands and knees. I do like to do this periodically throughout the month, and then I use the mop in between to save on my knees. But I'm using this multi-disinfecting spray on the floors as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I inspired you to clean more naturally. My house smells amazing right now. The essential oils are a perfect fragrance for this time of year. The disinfectant spray is awesome because it cleaned pretty much everything, as you notice in this video. If you love videos like this or love cleaning inspiration, motivation, let me know in the comments below if you want more natural DIY homemade cleaning videos, or do you want longer cleaning videos, more in-depth cleaning videos? Let me know. Be very specific. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. And remember, everything will be linked below if you want to make this recipe for later, or if you want some inspo, go over to my blog and check it out. I do tons of things on natural, holistic living on a budget. I'll talk to you guys real soon.